Hi, welcome to Cash and Coins. Today we're going to talk about haggling. All right, let's get into it. Hello and welcome back or welcome to Cash and Coins. I hope you are doing well. I do appreciate you watching. Thank you so much. Well, as I said today, I want to discuss haggling. I am old school and I love to haggle. Unlike auctions where you're bidding up and losing money as the price sneaks up from bidder to bidder, I do the opposite. Why? Well, I'm quite the frugal guy. Yep, Mr. Cheapo. And I don't mind saying it either. I haggle anywhere that it's allowed. This is an old art form that is not talked much about, but it is something that can save you money. It can save you cash and coins. Okay, silly pun there. But you do have to know how to do it. If you want to do it and then do it the right way. You know, it's like buying a used car. Know what you're buying, be informed as possible, and be ready to deal. And try and be as fair as possible. If your offer is too low, you'll be ignored. But if you have the right number, then you'll have it. You'll have the deal. All right, so like when I go to my local LCS, local coin store, I feel them out by asking simple questions. And I'm always prepared, at least I try to be. I know the spot price. I know the price of the item that I want, what I'm looking for. If I'm not sure, I look online. I look at eBay, I look at AppMex, I look at JM Bullion, all that, while I'm there in the coin store. They let you look around, at least mine do. And then once I have the information that I need, I work my magic. So let's do a scenario. The price of gold is at $18.50. I think that's about where it is today. And you see a buffalo for $19.50. You tell the guy, hey, that's a nice coin. Ask to see it. You want to show some interest. After you look at it, a little small talk. Ask him, hey, is the price firm? Can you give a discount at all? I'm military, so I always ask for a discount, military discount. Some places give it, some places don't. And I'm getting a little old, so I always ask about a senior citizen discount. And they never ask my age, thank goodness. Some give me the discount, some don't. 9 out of 10 times, I do get a discount. Even if it's only $5, I get a discount. And when I don't get a discount and I don't really need the coin, and who really needs a coin, I walk away. It's that simple. No hard feelings. The good thing is that after a while, they, the local coin store, they know you like discounts and they'll offer it to you without even haggling. You become an important part of their business. They know you'll buy from them. I've had a lot of success doing it this way. Now, I do want to say, I don't know if you've watched my videos or if you haven't watched my videos, let me catch you up on a few things that comes to haggling. So first, a story about AppMex. I wanted to buy 1 gold ounce of an Australian gold coin from AppMex. They had it listed at one price. I asked if I could get a discount, and incredibly, they gave it to me. Now, this was a one-time thing. I tried it again, but I didn't have any luck. Oh well, you know how those things go. I also had a problem with one of my AppMex orders. AppMex sent me the wrong order. I asked for a deal, to my satisfaction, and they gave it. First they offered me a $10 discount, a $15 discount. I asked for a $20 discount, which I felt that was the fairest. I don't like to abuse. I think being fair is important. But bam, they gave me the $20 discount. I love it. And this happens to me time and time again. When I go to eBay, I go to the make an offer auctions. I look for the lowest price. And then I always offer 10 to 15 less than what they have listed. Sometimes they come back with a counter offer, and sometimes they just sell it at my asking price. And this works for me about 90% of the time. Like I said, you have to know when and where to do it. I also do that on eBay when they're not offering make an offer. I'll just tell them, hey, will you take anything less for this? And sometimes they'll email me back and say, sure, I'll take a little bit less. So it doesn't always have to be at the make an offer auctions. Yeah, but like I said, you got to know when and where to do it. You got to know if it's allowed. And if it is, do it. Save some money. Practice it. Practice makes perfect. When you first start haggling, it may seem a little awkward. The more you do it, the less awkward it will definitely be. And old Ben Franklin, what he said, right? A penny saved is a penny earned. Well, if you guys have some interesting ways to haggle, please put it down in the comments. Or if you have ways I can improve my haggling style, please let me know. I know a lot of people like going on auctions, and I'm not cutting auctions down. I did want to say that too. People need to make money, and that's the way that some people make money. I just don't do it because I feel like I have to compete against someone to get something I can get somewhere else at a lower price. And I love to save money. Now, I've been to auctions, and I see the excitement and the prices going up and people going against each other, and sometimes they offer free things at auctions. So yeah, I get the excitement of it, and I'm not knocking it. I don't want anyone to think I'm doing that. I'm just super cheap, and I like going the cheap way. All right. Well, enough of all that. I do want to say again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you did like it. And if you did like it, please hit that like button for me. And if you're not subscribed, that would be great if you could do that too. If you're subscribed, thank you so much for your support. Man, I really, really appreciate it. I wouldn't have made all the videos that I've done if I did not have the support from you guys. Like I said, if you're not subscribed, I would like to have you on board. And as I said before, there's no charge. It's free anyways. Might as well do it, right? Okay. Well, take care and have a wonderful day.